Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, whatever time you're watching this video. I thank you so much for stopping by the Priceless Pearl Life to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. And if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Well, in today's video, it's all about the kitchen vignette. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. I pulled out a few decor pieces from my Christmas bin stash, and today I will create 3 vignettes in my kitchen. I hope that this video gives you some inspiration and motivation to start your Christmas decoration.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms.
Is it just me, or are Christmas lights all around the house a necessity? I think they are.
Come over here, now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy.
If you're new here, I am Katrena, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. These are things that interest you. You already know what to do. Go ahead and join my growing YouTube family. And speaking of growing, we're on our way to 2K. So go ahead and help me reach that goal, my next milestone.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Okay, a quick little break while I show you what I bought from Dollar General and Walmart. So I found this tray. It was actually a Halloween tray. It was on sale for 50% off, so I got it for $3. And then I found this oil and vinegar bottles, and they were only $8. Black and white, sleek and beautiful. And did I say only $8? Then I went over to Walmart and found these time and table black and white towels, and they were on sale for $5. And you always need washcloths, so those were about $4. And some, paper napkins. And I've been eyeing this time and table stoneware collection for a while, and I finally picked it up. And I'm glad I did. It is so beautiful. So you already see the theme. You already see the color scheme. You know what it is. So stay tuned. You'll see this soon. I appreciate you stopping by for today's video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video because you know it's the countdown to Christmas 2023, so you can expect 3 videos per week. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you real soon.